Hi, and welcome to Talking Tech. I'm your host, Alejandro Hoyos, and today we're here in Computex 2024 at the Gigabyte booth. We have Alex with us, who's going to talk us about the latest and greatest motherboards that you guys have. Hi, Alex.
Yeah, hello, welcome to Aorus booth. I'm Alex. We are introducing you the next generation Intel motherboard. On my hand is our Aorus Master, beloved Master. Why say it beloved? Because we've been made the Aorus Master a little bit larger in previous generations. Now, on this generation, we make it back to its ATX form factor, which is most welcome form factor for the PC builders. And Aorus, we are always focusing on DIY friendly, so this board equips 4 or 5 DIY friendly features for the first time PC builders. So let me start first. We all know that the DDR affects the system performance a lot. So putting the DDR on the right socket is critical. So if user get a DDR, put on the slot nearest to the CPU. Why we put it on there? Because I think, okay, the path is shortest, but it's another way around. You should put the furthest to the CPU because you get the highest clock as possible. So if you put in the wrong socket, there's an LED indicator will light up. Even you didn't power up the board. Indicates that you might have installed your DDR in the wrong position.
Right.
Okay, if user gets 2 DDR modules put here, which my finger pointing, it is not recommended because you're running in single channel. You should put in the split. You should have space in it in dual channel. LED indicator will light up. So this is to prevent user paying so much money but get half of the performance. That's the first DIY friendly. Second DIY friendly is that the graphics card is keep getting heavier and heavier because of the powerful computational force. That the SMD slot of the PCIe Gen 5 have to be protected. So we've reinforced the PCIe Gen 5 slot here because it's SMD. And if you put a graphics card on it, you want to remove the graphics card, just imagine my hand is the graphics card.
Right.
Your finger can't touch the latch here. So you are not able to remove the graphics card from the system. We have the quick release. There's a click here, can indicate you are safely release your graphics card. Now you can safely remove it. And there's a reinforced backplate here as well on the backside of the PCIe Gen 5 slot.
Right, that makes sense.
Yes. And the third one is that the M.2 quick release, that we can simply remove the M.2 heatsink with one hand. And there's another quick release here that you can slot in your M.2 and just push down. Let me demonstrate that. Unlatch, and then push down, and it's down.
That's gret. That is pretty easy to build. Yeah, and actually it's going to make it easier for the first-time PC builders.
Yeah, but last but not least, the Wi-Fi we use to make the small golden screws.
Right.
And sometimes you might damage the thin pin there. There's an easy plug here, Wi-Fi. Just one click. And it's has magnetic base here. You can attach to your chassis, and it's a directional Wi-Fi.
Wow, that's really nice.
Okay, let's put it back.
All right.
And the other lineup is the beloved Elite that every gamer must have, having the same DIY-friendly feature as his big brother Master. And we have the Elite X, which coming in white design. We will make the slots white, so no worries, because we have the demonstration here already, featuring the same DIY-friendly features alongside to his big brothers. And the next one, the Aero G, is a very special board that we have 2 PCIe Gen 5 by 8 slots here. 1 by 16, if you put 2 graphics cards by 8 by 8, that is because for the creator demand that you might need extra graphics computing power when you doing the rendering, doing the 3D modeling. And we also keeping, it's the Aero G, so we are keeping the drawing pad support. Only one wire, and there's a selected USB-C port. You can power up 60 watt, we say, the drawing pad. And the same, featuring all the DIY-friendly feature there. And this is a very special board. I have to specially introduce it. As you might find, it's something different with the previous board. Okay, we've rotated the CPU and the DDR for 90 degrees just to make sure that we have the shortest path from DDR to the CPU. They have the equal length there. So
Right.
this board is Aorus Tachyon that will create a world record after Intel launches the next generation motherboard. Rotating the processor is another benefit that we have the CPU 12 volt input power. There's a direct pass. There's a V-core here and there's graphics. So you have the shortest pass, the widest pass allow the current to flow.
We're going there. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, that makes sense. So you have like a thick trace all the way to the voltage regulator.
It's pad.
Pad.
Trace
Sorry.
is signal.
Yeah,
Pad.
sorry, pad.
No, it's
A little
fine.
bigger.
It's a pad because we can do that.
Yeah.
Of course, we rotate 90 degrees. Same thing, featuring all the DIY-friendly features along there, and comes with the wide directional Wi-Fi. And the last one is a tiny ITX board. It can overclock and having all the DIY-friendly features alongside with very, very big brothers because it's very tiny. And all above, we are equipped with digital PWM controllers with high efficiency smart power stages, but of course with different ampere ratings.
Alex, thank you so much. We learned a lot. I love all the new lineups, especially all the different features for for all the PC builders who are doing it for the first time. Also very interesting to see that socket to be turned around counterclockwise by 90 degrees. It's going to be pretty interesting to see the overclocking results. And thank you so much. Appreciate it.
You're welcome.